Hi again, welcome to the channel. Today we're gonna have our B6 1.8T on the channel today. What we're gonna be working on is the siren, or the chirp, because currently we don't have any sounds. As you can see, no sound or anything. I could turn on the alarm and there's no sound. So what we're gonna do today is get in the trunk or the boot and switch out the siren, getting into the trunk and removing the sidewall lining. But we'd have to remove the trunk latch cover here, and then once we remove that, then we'll gain access to a couple clips moving around the sides. That's what we have ahead of us today, and that's what we're gonna work on getting done. Wish me luck. Alright, we are back in the trunk, or the boot. One of the first things I probably need to do after removing all the stuff out the trunk is then to get access to the removing this cover. And I need to remove this bolt and this bolt. And then once I remove that, I can lift this cover piece off. Then I have full access to the sidewall here. There's some clips under here as well. So once I remove these two, there's one back there, then I will have to figure out how to get behind this liner and remove the clips. And I have to remove a clip somewhere, and then I'll be able to access the siren that's back here, under here. And then we'll go from there. We see what we can do. So I'll probably time lapse from here, and when we get to the siren, then we follow up and let's start. All right. Alright, as you can see, or as you're about to see, we've managed to access the side panel here. I still have to disconnect that cable here. Once I remove that, then I'll be able to pull this back further. You should be able to see the amplifier, and the siren is right here. So once I get to the siren, I can remove that, replace it real quick. I assume this will probably take another few minutes because I left the part upstairs and I have to go get it and come back down. Alright, I ran upstairs, grabbed the parts. We got some parts. The siren, I believe, should be easy plug and play replacement right there. So all I have to do is remove that bolt and the clips, and I should be able to access everything. Here we go, starting again. I'll see what bolt this requires and go from there. Got the tool case handy. Let's put this down. Fall leaves already fallen. Alright. Let's say it does kind of look a little big, but I'm gonna start with the 10 again. Did I put back my 10? Yes. Let's see. Nope, it's bigger than a 10. It seems more like a 14, but I'm gonna try this 13. Oh, it is a 13. Right on there. But I have to get a small one so I can get fit behind there. Or use a spanner. Oh, we do have a 13 spanner. So let's try that out. And now we need to remove this here clip. Now, it should be easy, being that it's in here, but let me grab this flathead. Wish I had extra hands, but I don't. So here, what I'm going to do, I'm going to let this sucker stand here as I attempt to disconnect. Voila, that was easy. And let's compare these numbers. I don't know if you can see that, but that is 8L0951605A, and that is the same. So I got the replacement. Let's go ahead and reconnect. Plugged in the new one. I got the bolt. Oh, I didn't realize I have a bolt on here. So let's take that off. And let's reseat that. Replaced Siren. Let's see if it works. Alright. Whew. It's a hell of a work. Where's the remote? Let's grab that remote. Got the spanner all over the place. Got too many things. Alright. Alright, here we go. We're gonna Yep, I would say we fixed it. Whew. Wasn't that a good deal? Alright. I think that's how we changed the Siren. Finding the part was kind of easy. You could get it at a junkyard, you can get it at ECS tuning. Again, that part number, I don't know if you can see that properly, but yeah. And this is for the B6 Audi A4. This is Skarlett, my Ultra Sport. Missing a few things, which I'm hoping to get, and the car needs a wash. Yep, so, well, it was a good wrench time. I got it done. We will then reassemble the trunk and go from there. So, whoo, that was quick, or kind of quick, but let's get it done. So now that we've gotten the siren replaced, we have replaced everything in the trunk. So anyhow, we've gotten that done, and that's it. And I got my chirp back. So before I was able to get my chirps, let's get a camera out the sun, but now once I lock my door, I get my chirp. That's what it's all about. Alright, thanks for watching. Leave me any comments, questions, or anything like that. I'll get back to you. Enjoy.